get ready to hit. They should regroup on the ledge before they're regrouping at 1 currently. They're regrouping on top of 1. If you have range, if you're like a Tevent user or a bow staff with the range, you guys might be able to clip them. That might be still safe zone. So, oh nope,
Nobody coming from 4.
your Tevent bow's hitting. Bell staffs, Tevent bows, try to hit that with your range. We have a couple people on top of 4. A couple people on top of 4.
Got buff, PJ.
You get the buff? Yeah,
Yeah,
I see
I'm
it.
giving you.
I see the orb.
Yeah.
I get vision from
You guys
that.
are bullying.
There's quite a few of them leaving 1, by the way. They're probably wrapping to 4.
These guys are pretty friendly. They're good people, so be nice to them. In area chat, you can talk shit in your comments, but try to be nice and global to these guys. They're trying to build an alliance right now. They're bringing in people from different servers, trying to get their numbers up so they can have some content. They're not scared to fight. They're in the building process.
There's a couple flying over from 1 to 4 you can probably catch.
More of a fight than DLJ brought us last time. No, that was Elite Vanguard.
Turning off my recording.
Yeah, look like we didn't have enough.
Towards
healers
what
on
number,
line.
Sonny? They're towards 4.
I'm
a group on top of 4.
I'm looking at them. I see them in the map. They're like behind 9. I don't know what they're doing.
They're trying to come through the small show. Okay. Yeah,
I
I
get
don't think
disconnected,
they'll
by the way.
just have our bell staffs literally just solo them.
Got what?
I
They're
get
coming through 4.
disconnected.
They're looking at 4.
Oh, you got
Towards 4.
disconnected.
Some people starting to jump in at 4.
Yeah, I got
They
disconnected.
jump through.
Oh, we
towards
lost
1.
because of
There's a
that.
lot of
Jump in,
flying
GG.
through.
Some people jumping through
Yeah,
1.
on 7.
Still lots of people towards 1 and 10.
They just all died instantly. Yeah. Hey. We're back.
Coming from. They are regrouping at 1 right now.
Can't heal you from here. Yeah, I was trying to get line of sight of you. I couldn't.
Are they going drop? They're not dropping.
You can go back to drinking, Wario.
Oh, you just killed each of those.
They're coming from 1. They're jumping over 1. They're trying to go deep. They're trying to go deep towards 6. They're gonna land on 6 and 5. They're gonna land on 6 and 5. Landing on 6 and 5. Try to get up to Bell Staffs 5. Bell Staffs on top of 5. Between 5 and 6. Good job. Sonny, if you push him off, we can't kill him.
Oh yeah.
This guy, I got 5 kills with just the 7 damage.
Yeah, dude. They can
Are we still
stack all
alive?
they want.
I'm back. I'm back. I'm back.
They're
Did we
looking like they're
lose?
regrouping at 1 right now.
Okay.
Mm-hmm. Should be. Almost impossible.
Hold on, wait. Are you showing dagger right now? Oh, okay, hold on. I got y'all too. Y'all should be like that.
They're still stacking out 1. Still stacking out 1.
Here they come.
They're coming in now. They're flying in again. They're trying the same thing that just failed. Pop buffs now. Pop buffs now. They pushed me off. Greasy, you got a call.
They're all dead.
Perfect.
Clean up the 1s and 2s behind the towards 4 and
He threw me off the cliff, dude.
go back to whatever it was you were doing before. Yo, kill itchy balls, dude. What are we doing? Yeah, they're dead. Back to Sons of Anarchy. Yep.
Oh, this is fun.
Well,
You guys having fun?
Yeah, like.
Regrouping at 1.
As long as I can swing my weapon.
Yeah,
yo,
I
can
want
we
to
all
go join
back up to
Swami over
4
there.
and crash them when they come down?
Yeah, you guys want? Yeah, let's give him space. Let's give him space.
Yeah,
Yeah.
give them.
Back up to 4. Back up to 4. Come to the trees. We'll push through them. Come back to 4 and 3. Come back to 4 and 3. Give them space. Give them space to play.
Wizard Club
Warrior
right here.
AFK, chilling, went back drinking. Oh, Jabs, come to 4.
Come to 4, guys.
Baba, Dragon, respect, come 4. Lady Popo's coming. Here they come.
Let them play.
Did
Let
one
them
just
land.
die
Let them land. Let
falling?
them land. Let them land. Wait for them to push into us. Wait for them to push into us. Hold, hold, hold.
Here they come.
Hold, hold, hold. Okay, we're gonna buff now and push him. Buff now and push him. Buff now and push him.
That was criminal.
Good job, guys. Let's pull back and let's do it again. Let's clean up your ones
Yeah,
and twos. Clean up your
I
ones
went
and
to
twos.
click on you and click on your name and damn heal you, but you were dead.
Pull back to 3 and 4 again. Give them space. Give them space. Let them play.
Oh,
Guys, give them space. Give them space. Luna, absent. Chansey, come back. Come back.
Bard
Respect.
just
Come
got
on. Come on.
jumped
Come on.
over there.
Let them have place. If someone wants to play forward, let them die. Do not heal them. Let them play. Let them play.
Heard that,
Oh,
boys.
Dragoon's doing it. He fucking Pantheon ulted into them. Alright, guys, we're buffing now. Buffing now. Buffing now. Going, 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 going.
Fucking pinned down, Jesus
They
Christ.
capped.
I blame you, Grisha.
Really?
I got slept, bro. I couldn't do anything about it.
Sleeping on the job.
Go clean up cap. Get rid of their fucking influence. Jeez.
That's fucking funny, actually.
I'm not leaving this
Yeah,
cap.
yeah, they actually did good. Some other people did. Some other people got in the back line. Like I got CC'd up. Like luckily, I think I
Pull
had buff
back
kill
again,
enough.
guys.
But I had like shot my first wave. Used my blitz on it, and was gonna shoot it again. And damn, and they like CC'd me up.
Uh,
I couldn't even use the second one. What's that? No, I didn't die. No. They just had me CC'd up. Nah, they couldn't kill me. It was one of their melee dudes. I run that triple endurance build, so I usually have like if I'm around all you guys, I set at like 1200 endurance for everything. For all
you're
three.
stuck with their warrior.
Plus damage reduction and
They're regrouping at 1 again. We're gonna give them some space to play the game.
Yo, Mike, let him play the game, bruh.
Come on, pull back.
Back up. Purgatory. Back up. Back up. Back up.
Hella greedy, dude.
Back up.
Let him be.
Oh,
Alright, they're trying to cap buff up and go, buff up and go, buff up and go.
Yeah, you guys done it once, it ain't happening again.
where you at? There. They
Alright,
thought
I'll
they were
be
about
here.
to cap that.
I'm gonna go put my baby down so I can make it for the inter-server. I think we should be fine, right? I'm at AFK for the last
Little
3
late.
minutes.
That should be fine. Yeah.
Don't let me die, guys.
No, if we lose to five, like GK, we lose.
I'm gonna stay around the stone. I'm gonna scare him with my presence. Alright, I'll be right back, guys.
Oh, yeah, man, you should
After
be
this,
good.
we do have inner server in 14 minutes. If you wanted to participate, you were supposed to DM me. Everyone who DM me, you will have priority. If people come, okay, they're dropping off. They're dropping on us again. Some of them are dropping a little deeper. Take the ones who are deep, and we're gonna buff up and push through now. Buff up and push through now. Some people got behind us towards 4 and 3. Take out these kills.
Nom nom still up. I got somebody. There we go. Thank you, Scrum.
They're just flying in off respawn and trying to sneak the cap here.
Had him through my fucking. He wanted me, didn't he, Squam? He wasn't doing no damage to me though. That's the thing. He wasn't. He was. I mean, he was stopping me from healing. I mean, so he was doing something. You know what I mean? I can't heal with him like stunning me up like
They're
that
just
and shit. But
respawning from one and dropping from one.
he ain't killing me.
This motherfucker.
One more minute. For what, Oreo? We got nothing else. You don't need to do the other event. We're good on people. You can go party with the family. Appreciate you coming.
Yeah, almost killed me.
Give them a GG's, guys. Be respectful.